It's big hole and bury
Big hole
them.
and bury them because they say through them
Hold on, we say you have 11, you have 11
family member.
11 family member. You have a part. No, God, no.
I think it up in the night.
I know, this is emotional.
I got Kingsville, it's so pampas. My daughter, I have to send me next daughter. I got not told it for 1 month old baby.
No cry, mommy.
Alright. So we forgot to give Foxy our water them.
Yeah. See the water you're Foxy?
Yeah.
Alright?
Ocean, yeah man. Youth man promotion. Big up on yourself. So guess what now? It's when you get Koran up on YouTube, type in video face, E.R.C records, you see two of them come up. And me, so you will see what I go on, alright? Yeah.
Who spot exactly how that one go?
So, the black on the road and we are going to pull up around now. We are pull up Green Valley, Green Island. Yeah. Community.
And they're in the try sort out a little, you know.
Hold on, I could get back with Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, you know, we're from Kingston, we're on the Youth Man Promotion team, Passion Minott and the whole family. So, what I like to ask, so where exactly we are located right now? Where we at?
We're at the Hampton Court.
Hampton Court.
Yeah.
In?
And Beach Road in Green Island.
Green Island. What the parish name?
Hanover.
We're still in Hanover.
Yeah.
Hampton Court.
Yeah.
Green Island. Alright, so how they have this time affect you?
Very bad.
Very bad? So give me a little, you know, experience. A little experience. So you was inside when the storm?
No, we couldn't stay inside. We start blow, we have to come out.
You start, when I ask you, before it start, you come out before it start, or? Okay, I love how you take heed because...
Yeah man, we have to run go
yeah, but give thanks, you know, life is here and you're alright. And I take a look by your house, so your house that up there? Alright, I'm going to walk and... So you have power, you have current around here?
Huh?
You want to get back current yet?
No, sir. Might be about next year before you get
Yeah, I want to get no telephone. That means a telephone service not there neither. See the paper? Yeah.
I'm in neighbor, I have to go to a film for female lift up so you have to lick it up.
Yeah, so a neighbor's house and go seek rescue as our family.
Neighbor.
Okay.
The neighbor, me there now.
Neighbor, you there, I stay the same way. You know, reach over. So people, So you hear from none of your family overseas yet?
We have a brother over there.
You hear from him?
Yeah.
Well, because the more know if you're alright, you know. Hello? Good day, what is... I did ask your name? Excuse me, I did ask your name? Sorry?
Sandra.
Sandra, big up yourself, Sandra.
Yeah, man.
Resident of Green Island.
Yes.
What's the district name again?
Hampton Court in
Hampton
Hanover.
Court in Hanover. So, meet up with another nice resident and big up yourself. We are from Kingston.
Okay.
We are the Youth Man Promotion. Passion Minott. This is Sugar Minott daughter.
Thank you very
So we drive all the way from Kingston just to try for, you know, reach some people where some people not reach. So, I can ask your
Thank
name?
you very much. Pauline Maris.
Pauline Maris. And oh, you understand?
Okay, see my house over there, so just one piece of zinc when come off over there.
Oh, one piece of zinc.
Yes.
Manners in them.
I need a lady up there named Janelle, them talking to all of them when come off.
Okay, so when you get help for
Yeah,
Okay.
then just take time
I like
to
how the
come back
community
and
try to help back them one another, you know?
we
Try.
right up there, so.
Yeah, because everybody depend on the government now, and I tell you the government can't help so much people one time. So the resident them house. Nah, go on where you go in a car if you ever rush me, see. See the power line down, them not have no light.
Up there, that one up there,
Yeah?
just come on.
Okay. All of them.
All light up.
Yeah, so.
I can go and look on it.
Yeah. So, when I get help for put it up back.
Yeah, the gentleman them in Ireland help.
Yeah, man, I like that. Big up the gentleman them
See around here, so.
on the side there, cause you know.
Round here. Janelle. Janelle.
Janelle,
Janelle.
Janelle.
1 minute. Can the gentleman them on the house up in there, look.
We just a pass through. You know, and then a camera. You're not in a camera, we just a video of your house. So if I can get a little better help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Janelle.
We have some care package I give away. And things. So she just a show we. So the house them did, you know? Yeah, so if you don't want the on camera, you know when I go.
Sugar
Minott,
Youth Man Promotion, Charities, mama.
Yeah. Come right off.
Yes, and this side blow off too.
You have kids, come outside now, we can see if we can give you a package. We have a little care package I give away.
Can I come here so
So come, we down here, so man.
Laugh and a real thing, let me come out, sir.
Yeah, them take everything for joke.
Not even so strong, yeah.
Okay, hush.
The whole of the top come off. They can't-
Yeah, that the lady I tell me.
And the whole of this come off, I help me get and put it up back. We need to sleep good. When me dey sleep, beside the crease when me catch in night.
Jaja, so, yeah, which part you stay throughout this time?
Right down the bottom there.
Oh, you have
somebody
to-
put me up.
God,
yeah.
no.
So the whole of this at top come off, which you can see.
Yeah, as me can see, say, it not really put on back good, it just
Yes, right.
put on
And
back,
the
that's...
whole of that there, for sure, you see, I don't lie, me I tell.
Yes,
Me
man.
never there here when it storm up on my sister. When me come, me have to curse. And, but I don't really nobody fault. But me have to say, Jaja,
Yeah.
which is right. Cause me see the whole of top gone, which me not think.
And the whole of your thing, your whole of your, yeah.
How me a talk to it, it's not a real thing.
Yeah, man.
So,
She say you
because
go
don't
treat,
come
man.
From here, wait for a long time. For
Yeah.
me, so.
So people want to tell us the resident them still need help, whole heap of help, and where your district name, make them know, because you have some people that give out care package in our country, them a give out
Green
help.
Island District, this.
The Green Island District, so
Hampton Court.
Hampton Court. So people want to pass around, you have one and few people still need help in the community. Where, you understand me?
A long time. Because my sister said, when you come, I must talk. I'm not gonna afraid.
Yeah, but now then that now this is how you get help, because we have no light down here and have nothing. So
No light,
when we put it out more time, even one of your family were worried about you overseas or something.
Yeah, and see me and my grandpitney them and the whole of we.
Yeah.
When time me catch, me never sleep good, which if I in my own bed, I would sleep good.
You
But
can't
then
sleep
how
good.
you go.
You have to
It's
just,
everywhere me
you
sleep,
understand?
me have to take it by you.
See it there?
Yeah. Real
Yeah, man. So make sure you get a package now, man.
You not come for the package.
No, she not, her foot not good, man. You see, make passion now, care passion.
Package them too.
Look like passion, man.
glad you come. You think say
Hold on.
we go be afraid to talk. No,
No, so you get help right now,
Yeah.
because guess what now, people all over the country, so let them know what is your name now.
Sharon Dixon, sir.
Alright, so people forward in a Green Island district, and you know people still need help down here. You understand me? Them still need rebuilding.
Real help me need.
Them still dramatize, them kids are still, see the kids them here who have clothes and them something they forgive away.
Do me close them, me leave them in our house, but some of them damp up and me really put
Okay.
them dry out.
Yes. You're not afraid to come out and ask. It's for giving away now. We drive from Kingston, huh?
I don't believe
Why you there on your veranda you hide? Come now. It's alright, you can go see him when you're not having the camera. See that you just go and ask. Yeah, and that's what we can't for do, you know, give away, you know. So if you're shy or you know want to go up on the camera, I won't put you up on the camera. But your family, somebody overseas or somebody will want to give a bigger help, go to see you. And say, so one of my classmates, this one of my school friend there. So and she not help in need, so we can reach out to her. So them actually know which part them to find you. So them turn in here, so them ask for them must can find you. Alright? Yeah. So you them get little snacks and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Not much, but
Alright.
we drive far from to come, you know? Just to do this
for
for
any
you.
water.
Check them.
5 gallon of water.
And I the back one.
Maybe. Little one.
Ask Passion. Say easy video face. Yeah man, big up yourself, my G man. Alright. For you say that, you know a thing go. Alright. Yeah. So she get him give her a package, but me not two, so I don't know. But because them have only packages in them, I don't know if I one package him give her. But yeah, so your house that mommy. Get a video when I come back. I never get a video. She said the whole of the roof here, the gentleman in the community help her because she can't walk.
Hi, please. Did you get your snack? We're leaving a water.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, and we are from, she's from the Youth Man promotion. Sugar Minott daughter, Passion Minott, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So, you know, big up because the kids them need the water too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Hold for a moment.
Yeah man, alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Take care.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah man, so sit there, people. So our next lady house. We just go. We just not we meet first. Sit there. They need rebuilding. Yeah man, this time really devastate Jamaica. If you're going to some nook and cranny, watch it. And she said, well, I have to drop down. Yeah, so was the veranda. And she said, a landslide, column, everything tumble on the ground. See it? Alright. So, hey, sir, your house that mommy? Well, I give God thanks you never in there at the time. So you not get somebody to help you bring up that?
Yeah, I'm not get somebody to help me.
Alright.
Alright.
Until we see you again, alright?
Take care.
Yeah. Yo! See there, watch it? I stand blow over this in the people. Hold on there. See that stand blow over the container there on the side. Yes, man. we're there, I'm check up on another resident. So which part we're there now, my general?
Yeah, prospect.
We're there prospect.
Yeah, man. In a Hanover, same.
Hanover with the same way.
Yeah, man.
And one of the residents them this will get affected.
We get affected.
Yeah, so people we not stop at the big square them and so we just pick out some 1 and 2 people or 1 or few where you know we can help out. So General, what your name General?
Martin, Douglas Martin.
Yeah. So you hear from none of your family them? You hear from none of your family them yet? From overseas also?
No, we don't know family fancy.
You know have a family overseas? No, for real? No, for you find a Jamaican when and a family overseas still it rare, you know? Yeah, it rare. So big up yourself. You know, you could have a school friend or something. We see you I want to give you help.
Who that?
Yeah, man. So
the right thing, ask him. Because somebody gonna look for him.
yeah. Somebody go down and worry about your same way.
Yeah, when you share it, yeah?
You understand me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
Him not like kids, you see him, he let the eye go up in him out. If you say you have a kid, man, yo, we can't eat one number here. We can't eat one number.
so you say our house there, so?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Which part me stand up here, so?
No, nobody out there she found it.
Okay.
Put them boat come over here, so. Yeah, man.
Oh, over here, so the house there.
Yeah.
Where house is there?
Yeah, so we're in there.
Come I can't really realize where house is there. Show me, you show me, cause you know where house is. I see him some gonna look for my daughter and last, you know.
Alright.
Because the house where me I used to mark my daughter yard. Blow away. I'm a drive past. So where you see, which part you say the house is there?
Right here, sir.
Right after you say the house is there. So me no see no. Me no see like no house is there, so my friend.
So one piece like them, I'll go there.
No, me no see like no house is there, so. God, no, you have to take bad things, make laugh, people. Once we have hope, life, we have hope, people. You understand me? Whole heap of people feel it. You understand? Whole heap of people. So, how far house? Your house?
No man, for me was our Grangel.
Okay, your Green Jill.
No, he must come give them a hand work on him.
Okay, I come. Okay, you know, I come here.
Yeah. Blue dog.
Blow off. I no blow down. I blow off this guy. Me no see like nothing there, so. Yeah, blow away. Come in and be adapt. Me I say, me just see boat pile up and something. Me no see like which part of our house is there. Me only see like.
Take up the piece.
Yeah, man, I see it. My God, no star.
Yeah, man.
Our general they are power now. So which part we there now?
Right now, we are Sexam.
Sexam.
Prospect, Saxam. Still
Saxam.
Hanover.
Still Hanover with it.
We have Mega 6, sorry.
Listen me. Cause yo, you saw them house.
Yeah.
All of them house when lift up, but as me tell you from catch up there.
Yeah,
People
people.
them put on back.
Yeah, people them, you know, the help them one another and I
like a certain place.
yeah, man. Okay. We can see it, man.
Yeah, man. Run a back, man. This everything.
You can see what I go and run back now. Yeah, we can go make a fast look run the dog not in there.
Yeah, man. Dog run
I can't take a dog bite, you know. Passion, you make go look on the liquor site and come back now. Come on.
Kevin, you stay behind.
Stay behind what? Carry dog?
Yeah, man.
You look big. Even not bad. It's just me and she say, you stay behind and then she say no bad. Me don't understand this. Dog show them master say them bad when time them see stranger in it. I when I feel like him not bad. So where say the house stop the lift after my G? Okay, alright. Yeah man, so the resident them yeah, people help you. Me like how the Come now man, not afraid man, what you afraid about?
Oh, so wanna do back something? So yeah, me have to try to fix it. TV, everything wet up, but we are trying to see if when the current come back, if not, not gonna work.
Oh, what you say?
Over here, so never gone, you know, just from where you see the brown piece, they go back.
Okay, but the thing them they gone.
Everything come off, man, wet up, man. Come, me show now.
You see all the TV.
Everything come on, so come follow me.
You see it? You know, I like how the resident them a try Them not bad like some people about government. They might try help back themselves. Yeah. Yeah.
So we can give you a chop all in.
Oh yeah, cause we can see the whole them trees same way.
Yeah man, we can give you a chop all.
Want a chop all in?
Alright. Yeah, so resident them. So where you name, mommy?
Arlene.
Say you have family overseas, right?
My sister only.
Say you from there yet?
Yeah.
Okay,
She
so
send her for barrel still, but you know.
you know go get it. Alright. I'm glad how she look out for you, you know?
And I'm not from Hanover, I'm from White House.
Okay.
My husband, I'm married but my husband neutralized and them stuff, so I just leave.
Okay.
So I just come by this.
Okay.
Mom!
It's Passion Minott, you know, Sugar Minott daughter.
Oh.
The great Sugar Minott.
Okay, no problem.
Coming from the country.
This now.
Yeah.
You could have gone in there, go look still, I can show you. Come me show you still, because I want to know the proof, so we not tell no lie, because we can't tell lie them where they are not.
Yeah.
Now come, Papa. Just step in. Page! Sorry for barging you.
Sorry for barging.
See, the whole of this are gone, in the sun never touch.
Okay.
The whole of here, so
Yes.
you can see and the whole of them see them way.
Yeah.
So look, man.
Okay.
So the whole of this did gone, so they have to tear down this, so they tear off this one.
Yeah.
They understand?
Jaja
So we just
God.
have to do what we can do, because we just have to try help ourselves. You see me?
Yeah man, I'm glad
We
how you try for help on
Yeah,
yourself.
man, we can't wait for government to do certain things, so you see me?
Yeah, cause government, some people get hurt, damage, wicked and uno. Where government, you understand? Yeah man, Passion Minott and Blah Minott. Sugar Minott son too, you know? Yeah man, so, yeah man, alright. Mama still want to show me more. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I know this will come to me, that this was the only room that's saved.
Okay.
Only room that's saved.
Oh, when I save everything.
See everything, see there?
Yeah.
I know we no fix.
Okay. Yeah man. It still want to fix good.
You have to look in here so we have good.
And get some new sheet of zinc for replace.
See it, we have to burn mattress and them something there. Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, me that take one for them. Because my daughter, she gone to work. See, all in the kitchen there, so it no fix back yet neither same way.
Yeah.
So we have to try do what we can do. You understand?
Yeah.
Just we alone with
Yeah, because you can go and put the chapel in over the part them where leaks until better come, because people them need help same way, so we can offer them zinc. Alright, so where is we located right now exactly? Saxam.
In Hanover, S-A-X-H-A.
Yeah, so we're there, Saxam.
Kevin,
In Hanover, you know?
we'll bring your girl, my son now, make you see. See him house. Over there, so damage, but nobody know over there that could have show you.
Okay.
Just one husband and wife living over there only.
Okay.
So I'll show you.
So where dog there?
Come on, you don't have trouble. Kevin can't play with us. This is one of my sons. He's on the camera.
Okay.
So never you further, you know.
Eh?
This house never there where you sit there now, you know.
Yeah?
Me can't even go in there because it's a mash up all.
So wait to move?
To where it there. To where one part did there.
Yeah?
Yes, so it did there.
Yeah.
I see front also.
Yeah.
I front this.
Yeah.
And they got him gone, me can't even show you a whole lot in there.
Yeah, so how it reach back there, sir? Bill it back?
Blow and go there.
Blow it back, come here, sir?
Yeah.
Where say breeze move it from there, sir?
So come back here, so see a whole like there.
Where say breeze blow the house, sir?
Tear off that. You see me?
Yeah.
But him not there, and I don't know what more me could have show you, say, show you the flooring mash up. And can't even walk in there, flooring bust up.
He said the breeze move the house, yeah. From the breeze and
To the front door right here, so. When them black at the front door this.
front door that had the breeze blow it back way. Blow it.
That door at the right.
Blow it and them have to catch it up back and.
It did their ground, you know.
That me I said then that's.
The house we are just going there, you know. For him house did their ground set, so you know.
Yeah.
Who forget the next shop, Arlen?
I was with my daughter today, so because they leave. Huh?
So you want a chopper?
No,
She get one. She get one.
No, for my brother house, stuff them around
Well, you can get one for your brother if that's it.
Oh, you want to cover up some stuff?
Yeah, them furniture them around there.
Alright.
Yeah, people, so we're deep in the part of Hanover right now. So this was a house.
This was a house.
Church of God.
See the step there?
Church of God. Man, furniture, them have to.
God.
Thing mash up in just a
My
we
own.
can't even take them off.
See it there?
See it there, we have to tie them up. See it there? See the
Church
dresser,
of
so,
God.
see the dresser there?
See the new bed there.
In new, a March 3rd him buy 300 and him threw a partner because I work with him for that princess.
Yeah.
And him threw a partner and him buy $368 water.
68,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
In 2 slide window. The city door, yeah? The whole of it pop out.
Jesus Christ.
See something them in right there. The bed, the 2 side table, the bed there. See the dresser there. The dresser not have no glass. See the dresser there. The dresser not have
Alright,
no
people,
glass.
you see it?
No glass.
When I tell about the people them with the on the front, you know, when you go in some community, because with the in the community right now, Hanover.
3 days and 4 nights he spend a Lucy, pneumonia.
Where is it happen?
I have a little son. I can't show you a picture of me.
Where is it happen to him?
Him have catch pneumonia. See there?
See a the storm?
Yeah, man. See it there?
Jesus.
See the mattress there? You see a new brand mattress. See the bed put there on the line now. It's a king size bed.
Yeah, can see the youth are trying.
See the tile there?
Yeah,
Everything.
man,
Bust
I
up.
try, man.
See all this, everything. See
Everything put on back.
Yeah.
And then everything him can find.
Right now, if you can't look.
See all the solar light here mash up.
No, that's my daughter one.
Oh, it a work?
Yeah, look right now, see two east and zinc in the bush over there.
Oh, I see it, man.
See window there. See one of the window there. See next one.
Devastated, you know.
Yo,
But you still have to hold up, you have to stay strong, mama.
when you see it, man. Yo, everything.
Yo, everybody dramatized. God, everybody dramatized by the storm. Everybody, the amount of storm them pass through and them can tell you. So who they live over there? So our house that over there? So too? Jesus, peace. People and everybody at Jamaica can make a concrete house. So enough people living at them part here. Them dep on them land, them go and live in a them little board house so them can afford so till them get better come. You understand me? Because if them could have do it, them would have do it. People and God know the storm give them a big setback right now. We say not get no help on the other side here.
Get no help from nobody. We just have to go and scrabble. Sometimes when I
Your day as well?
when you buy something, my little son called me and said, "You have no pampers." I pick it up in the night.
I know, this is emotional.
Kingsfield, it's some pampers. My daughter have to send me next daughter. I got told it for 1 month old baby.
No cry, mommy.
Yo, people feel it, people go through it, you know.
It'll be okay, mommy. You have
We
life.
don't have no money, we don't have
You have
nothing,
life.
we don't have no food, we just have
You
to
don't have
scrabble
food.
1 pound of rice.
The people, you know, and so the care package, them not come down the way, yeah.
Get
some
nothing,
more.
we don't get nothing from nobody.
People, tears down my eye right now. A good thing me have on my eyeglass.
The river there, so I catch up water and then we come boil it and then
People, more wanna pass through yes and give you some care package too, you know. Tell them which part they again, no mommy, man.
Saxon, S-A-X-H-A-M, Saxon.
God knows, story. My eye full of water, people. You should just make me know long I'm not crying in my life. God know. She have a story for tell, brother. She have a story for tell. I tell her. Right now, people. I swear to God. I want to tell you, my eye. she just burst out little while, and if you're human, you have to feel that little while, star. Yeah, man, if you're human, you have to feel her pain little while, bro.
This is right, you know?
Yo, people wanna stop and go pass on the front of the community, them with the whole big truck, them you have some people like them place here living at some like a remote community people. Them not getting no help. Them not get no help. That's why we take our time out and say we don't want to go up on the main. We want to go into some place and see the amount of people who buck up. Say them not see nothing, them here care package I give them see zinc, them see everything I give it. And we are the first person. And I want to ask her to be sure. So mommy, would I like to know if we are the first person we pass through with a care package gift. And it's not much, sorry, never have more to give them. So mommy, we are the first person we pass through and give her something?
Nobody no come, nobody see nobody.
After so much something I give her? God know people. Give her another chapel in there. I'm going to bring tears to my eyes, people. You know, tears. People feel it, you know. In Jamaica, you know, people feel it. People experience something they never experienced yet. And never thought them would experience it. People are going to need help. Now go straight back so till I don't know. But everybody when I know, everybody people, when I can help people, come down on them side of people. Yeah man, come down on them side of people because our story really touching me. I would make them know your name again.
Saxam.
Taxam.
Saxam in Hanover.
Oh, with your Saxam. What is your name?
Arlene.
Arlene. Big up yourself, Arlene, and God know, you know. I feel your pain, you see me?
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
Feel your pain, mommy, and me don't know what sake of the video, yeah, you start see more people that pass around here, so I go into some things. Because a whole heap of things I give the same way in the island, and we're trying to know so we are the first person to stop here, so.
We have to stop here still, you know, because humanitarian feeling.
The powers of the Almighty, man.
I have my phone and night time and I watch and hear people cry out and ask the boy. Nobody remember them around your son.
But enough people don't have them certain, some in a certain community can't even get a video for put out. God knows.
You know Mr. Boney? My fishing market.
Yeah, let me cry. Sorry, you know how long I'm not cry? Yeah, man, she says she have, you need pampers and something.
I say that. I tell you, school have pitch up a town and them there.
Well, on a 10 different arguments you're saying, hold on. When the argument are mixed up with our one, you say.
You see people, them and them just bury them.
Where's she something?
Well, you want to put them in there?
11 people, them said dead.
Where?
Brampton and White House.
In our storm?
And she not get to see them, them just
Where you say?
dig hole and bury them.
Hold on, where you say you have 11, you have 11
family member.
11 family member, you have a part, no, God, no. 11 family, so them bury already, you not even see them.
We don't know where they we don't find them, we don't hear them. So them find them and then they come out and just dig hole and bury them. Nobody could pass it gonna wait.
Which community that?
That's Upper Garden and
Hold on there, make we hear what she said.
Upper Garden and Brompton Whitehouse. Senti. Yeah, Brompton in Senti, but Garden is in Whitehouse. Garden up on the hill, Whitehouse.
So you say, live in your family? Jesus, please, God. Have no number where you can...
Yeah, man,
Get a number on the live.
456-5779.
1876
456-5779.
574
456-5779.
456-577. Arlene.
Arlene. A-R-L-E-N.
Arlene, you have a last name?
Jones. Arlene.
All right.
Jones.
You want to share?
A-R-L-E-N.
All right.
Yeah, man.
And if you call her a guitar, you can link up Sugar Minott Foundation.
Yeah, so people, she said she lose 11 in her family where she not even see. This is, we don't hear nothing, you just, and you can see the what happened to her son and everybody, so people who can stop by the side there. Saxon, right?
Yeah, someone I can't tell you.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Him carry and tell us, you know, I show some people were affected, what we don't know, because I saw, we not going to know everybody. So we have somebody for tour guide we around, so. Okay, alright, then big up yourself, Arlene, and you're going to hear from us again, and big up the kids, man.
Thanks.
You understand? I hope this make you get some help, alright? Some more help. Yeah.